In this video, I will show you how to disable CMD copyright banner in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. If you want a cleaner and minimal terminal, you can easily disable the annoying copyright banner. Okay, so there are two places we need to fix this. First, the old school command prompt shortcut. Let's start by popping open the Start menu and just typing in CMD. Don't open it. Instead, look for the option that says Open File Location. Click that. It'll show you where the shortcut lives. Just right-click on that command prompt shortcut and go down to Properties. Now, in this target box, here's the magic trick. Go all the way to the end of the text, hit the spacebar once, and then type this flag. Hit Apply, then OK. Now part 1 is done. But wait, there's more. If you use the new Windows terminal, we've got to fix it there too. So open up the Start menu again and search for Terminal. Go ahead and open that up. See the little drop-down arrow at the top? Click it and go into Settings. On the left side, find the Command Prompt profile and click on it. Expand Command Line option. We're going to do the exact same thing here. Go to the end of the text, add a space, and type that same flag. Make sure you hit that Save button in the corner and you can close out of the settings. And that's literally it. Now, no matter how you open Command Prompt, that annoying banner is gone.